Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Hobbies for Life. I changed my name from Natural Alternative 2 to Hobbies for Life. But I am back. I want to say that I'm glad to be back. Last year, 2021, I had a series of health problems. I mean, some of y'all that followed me back from 2018 on until I kind of dropped off knew that I had really bad health issues. Some of them were getting to be life-threatening, as I really thought I wasn't going to live last year. It was just getting so bad. But thankfully, the Lord came through for me and I'm better. I had to get a few surgeries. I'm better. And I am grateful to the Lord for everything. But I want to say welcome to my channel if you're new. I am going to be talking about how to care for locks. And like I say, some other things because I'm Hobby for Life. But this channel right now is a fluctuation of a variety of things. But I'm doing a series, guys, on keeping your locks healthy and moisturized. So you may have seen the previous video, which I'll leave the link in, about how to make, how I make a henna conditioner for my hair, because I am getting a little gray. So I'm like, you know what, it's about that time. So I am doing that. But I want y'all to take a look because my locks have grown. Some of y'all know that I got lock extensions. Well, unfortunately, I cut all those things out because they weren't as good as I thought they were. But this is all my hair, no extensions or anything. This is all me. So I want to turn around and let y'all see, if you can. My hair has grown since the last time you guys have seen me. But without further ado, I do want to go into how to care for your hair as far as locks are concerned and how you can keep your locks moisturized. So stay tuned. So what I'm going to do is I need to wash my hair. I've been washing it once a week. I know that might seem like a lot for some, but there's a reason for it for me. I find that washing my hair, keeping my scalp clean, seems to promote faster growth for me because I'm getting rid of all the dirt and extra sebum. You know, I know sebum is very good for the scalp, but if it piles up, it's not that great. Also, I've been putting some type of moisturizer, homemade, and I'm actually gonna show you guys how to make this. It's a butter, but it's a variety. It's like a little concoction that I made to keep my locks very moisturized. So I am gonna start out with, this is the shampoo, my homemade shampoo that I make, and eventually I'm gonna show you the recipe for that. Now I use the aloe vera container because I was using this aloe vera to retwist my hair, but I'm not retwisting it with this anymore. I just use my Moisture Grow hemp hair oil. Let me see, hopefully you guys can see this. I use this, put it on my scalp after washing, and then that's all I use is just retwist with that. But this was empty, so I use this. I have, like I said in another video, I'll show you guys how to make this, but it is made with, it's made with Castile soap. And this is gonna be in another video, how to make homemade shampoo for your hair or your locks. And it has a lot of other ingredients in it. So I am gonna wash my hair. I don't even know if I'm looking at you guys or looking at myself because I am using my phone. So some of this may not be edited. I apologize for that until I can get a camera. But getting back to what we were talking about, this right here is the homemade henna conditioner. And this is going to be in another video that you guys can see how I make this. I gotta fix my hair. You see how I make this. This stuff is very, very moisturizing. Alrighty, so with that being said, I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and I will get back to you. So my hair is washed. My beautiful locks are washed. You know, the longer they get, the heavier the hair is. So I just want y'all to see. So what I'm gonna do now that my hair is washed, I'm going to put some of this Moisture Grow hemp hair oil on my scalp. I am gonna mix it a little bit with some lanolin. For you guys that don't know what lanolin is, lanolin actually comes from sheep's. Our hair is very woolly, and so I figure, you know, lanolin actually protects the sheep's skin, you know, and also helps the coat to grow fuller and healthy. So I am going to mix some lanolin in this and put it on my scalp, because I wash my hair once a week during the summer, and during the winter I actually wash it once a month. So we're going into the summer soon. It's kind of, in Florida it's kind of hot, so I am going to start washing it. Well, I just started maybe 3 weeks ago washing it once a week. So let me turn around, let y'all see the back. And also, washing it may not be for everybody once a week. Some people with locks don't want to wash their hair once a week because they feel like it might thin the hair out. But for me, my hair grows faster. When my scalp is clean, my hair grows very fast. So, you know, I'm able to clean it and put the oils on it and go. Now, today, I am going to retwist it. I retwist every 2 weeks. So I am going to retwist. That way, you know, I won't have locks marrying each other. And that means basically as the roots start to grow, they kind of intertwine with other locks. And before you know it, the hair, it's like one unit. So you don't want your locks to be one unit. You want your locks to be a single unit. All right. So this is it for the video, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please continue to follow me as I, you know, show you guys how I'm caring for my locks and why my locks are growing so fast. And, you know, this is why. I'm just showing you my hair care regimen. So until next time, I'll see you guys later on Hobbies for Life or Natural A2. If you still remember me as Natural A2, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you.